revolution, and they call it coup d'etat, we call it revolution, in the Sahel, ECOWAS was so loud on top of their voices. They wanted to go and invade. But guess what? On which order? The order of the imperialists. It is not for ECOWAS, it's not about whether the people are happy or not. Is it going against our interests or not? That is what it is when it comes to ECOWAS. So if ECOWAS want to have a say in something in actual fact, they should reform that useless organization. Other than trying to, convince the leaders, these three leaders to come back to ECOWAS, it's like trying to pour water on the wall. It's not going to work. Because right now, as we're speaking, ECOWAS sanctioned these people. But the economy of the people they are sanctioning, their economy is doing better than those who sanction them. So the sanction is actually working against them. They are exactly. So ECOWAS should understand that the world have moved. The youth are not with them. We are with the AEF. And let me put this on record. Today I'll call myself a Ghanaian. You call yourself Nigerian. But the truth of the matter is that low-key, we are all Burkina Faso. That's why we are here today. Thank you.
Wow. My question is that if Americans, Europeans are saying that Africa is the most poorest country, or most poorest continent, why is it that now the youth has risen? Half of Africa now, half of Burkina Faso now, but they don't want to go. Why? Why is it the poorest continent? Now if they go away, they don't want to go.
Yeah, so he answered the question. That's it. You answer the question with your own question. They don't want to go because there's something good there. You understand? Listen, recently Captain Ibrahim Traore gave a speech and he was educating the youth on why they should not blame the West when they are fighting against the Portuguese, when they are in Africa trying to, take control of the resources. That is how the world is. Everybody is fighting for their own interest. So if you also want to stand, fight for your own interest. So what Captain Ibrahim Traore, Abdurrahman Tiani, and Assimi Goïta are doing, they are fighting for the interest of their people. The United States is there trying to go there because they know that without Africa they cannot survive. So it is the survivor of the fittest. So if you want to say that, we are all human beings, we should, allow everybody to stay and all that, go to the jungle. Yes, go to the jungle. The strongest survive. When you go to the jungle, they have law, they have rules. The lion or the deer, let the deer sit down and say, we are all one people, so we are all animals. So why are we fighting among each other? Let's go and have conversation with the lion so that we can, make peace. The deer will not come back again because to the lion you are feed on you, because without you I can't survive. So if you want to survive, you must fight. That is why we are here. If you ask the white man, what can you do for your people? They'll tell you they are ready to unalive everybody to make sure that their people are protected, their people are doing well. But when you come to Africa, you ask Africans, they'll tell you that we are ready to die. No, we are no longer ready to die, we are ready to fight. Whatever comes our way, we'll take it away. We are not ready, we have died. We are not ready to die again. This time we are ready to fight. So, hands off Burkina Faso. We are not allowing this to happen again. Okay, thank you.
I have one last question. So I had a lot of Ghanaians under my comment. And I have almost 800 people watching.
So answer Africa. Why are they here today?
They here to support my country, Burkina. We have Burkina Faso.
You have Burkina Faso.
Yes.
And have what?
Ghanaian.
Have Ghanaian. Okay, so what's your take on what is happening in their country?
The thing we say, it's not about what is happening in the country, what is happening in Africa.
Okay.
Actually, liberation. If a country has a liberation, or like let's say a continent is liberated, there will be more of job opportunities. We will not be standing there doing this thing again. Because when you check let's say we have the Saudi people, the Arabian people that lives there, the Middle East and the kind of people that lives there. You see how successful they are now. They started like us. Even some of them went on protest. It's just that they have good thinkers who are leaders. You get me? So things like this, I don't know why most of the youth are in the house just relaxing and doing things. You are supposed to be here. You are fighting for liberation. You get it? You are supposed to get the upper hand tomorrow. So that when everything is successful, you are not the one to enjoy it. Our born kids, our born generations will be doing enjoyment, like how the Saudi people are enjoying now. Libya could have also done the same thing. It's quite unfortunate for them. They lost their good leader due to the brainwashing about the indoctrination that happened at their time. You get it? You are not going to stand there and see that thing happen on us. You are not going to be indoctrinated. You get it? By time and as time goes on, the youth are getting awake, and we are going to stand and fight as possible as we can to save the African youth. Be like this, when it comes to Gidi, I'll walk, like I'll drive to that side. I'll go and join them and fight that. Let's say, I don't know how to put it for you to understand. There are other people. What's their name? Ivory Coast. They should watch me well. Me, when anything happens in Burkina, I'm tripping from this place to that side, their border, to fight. I don't care if I come or not, I don't come back. It's not for me. It's when I'm born kids. You get me? They should mark my words. They should watch me. I'll go there and I'll fight for Burkina. I'll fight for good people. And I'm not going to. You will die one day. That's how the thing works. You may die by eating even they choke you now. You may die by even crossing the road. Think is there who to run now relax, don't better when we be there and fight for your unborn kids in his movie. You can die any moment. It's there. Die in the right way.
The normal way.
Oh,
everybody will die.
Yes. So die in a sensible way. I want to say, if you are not there, they'll remember your name. You get me?
It's a legacy.
The legacy is what he's setting, and I'm proud of him, and I'll fight for him. I will die for him. I promise you, if anything should happen to me, watch my face, they will see me there. I'm not joking. The hitman, they carry coming. So if you say me more today, but I'm ready to die for Burkina. It's all my life.
So do you have our president of the land trying to convince Traore to join the ECOWAS, and Ghana is already part. What's your message for the president of Ghana?
The thing is, I don't know whatever thing that they are having over there or whatever thing that is going on there, but I think blackmailing is part. I think I may say they are blackmailing them. Maybe they've done something in the past which is happening them today. So they feel if they take part of the Burkinabes or join the AES people, they are going to use that kind of thing that they did in the past to do what? Stand on it and arrest them or do anything to sabotage them. So they are fighting on their selfish reasons now. That's the current president that we have. But I believe that he is a good person, and if he is trying to do something better, he should go straight forward. He shouldn't be coward. He shouldn't be hypocrite. I love him though, but he's slow. To me, he's slow. He's not willing to do anything. Burkina is never going to join any ECOWAS. They are AES. Burkina, Mali, and Niger. We love them that way, because we are not going to fall for any oppressors to go again. They know this thing, and we always say it is. But why now? Why are they making like it's a new thing? We are not going to fall for any oppressors. They should understand. We are not falling victims for anybody. They should wake up. He's a president. He should know what he wants and what he wants to do. You only have 4 years. Even 4 years, but you have like 3 years, maybe 6 months to live. Okay. You get it? So you should utilize that 6 months. If he does something today, no person has something has to be a man. You can just make any ways and good ways to come back. You vote you want good people. You want people that understand the youth. People that will liberate Africa. People that will leave something like a trademark. Not the current, the previous one. The previous one, say if they don't tell that Kwadwo was president last year, would you believe? Who kind? Tell me the truth. Do you remember Kwadwo now? Yes. That's there comes a bad name now. But they call, even though they looted us, but there's a bad name now. And it will be a generational thing because our children are going to bed. Be like this when I see people like that, one-on-one. Oh, let's go. Bye. Alright, peace out. Okay.
On the 8th of April, the United States issued level 2 advisory to travel that is not travel to conflict. What are they planning to do? Because they know that something is about to happen. This has been an issue. You are a leader and you want to do something tell you which kind of terror. But just ready to fight terrorism. Exactly. So Bahama is doing a great job already. It should continue. If it is left with Kwadwo. Alright, so thank you so much. We appreciate the way you come out and support us. So Ibrahim Traore is the leader, not only for Burkina Faso, but for Africa. Burkina Faso for Africa, it will take a long while before we can be able to stand yeah, 25th of May, there is protest and people. And it fell on African Unity, something African Liberation Union Day or whatever. African Union Day. So there's going to have a solid demonstration. Alright.
Where is the location?
We are not planning
Exactly. Information will be available. We are going to go through the process every day. There's the announcement and the banners will be out and everybody should come out with their numbers. You understand? The only way we can stop the imperialists from invading all this, touching what is happening in the Sahel is for us to come out as the youth of Africa and support the youth of AES. Because this is the new best of Africa. Thank you. This is just the beginning of Africa!
So guys, yeah, this Daily Watch TV. If you're new here, please subscribe, share this video with everybody. Subscribe and share this video. As today, so they say 25th of this, that's May. There will be a massive protest against this. So 25th of May. But the venue and the time will be communicated. So let's take the stadium very well. Daily Watch TV will be uploading the more normal videos for you guys to see. Yeah. So you can support us on 020-399-7170. Yeah, you can support us. You can support Daily Watch TV on 020-399-7170. Support us. Yeah, support our live streaming too, so that we are one nation, one Africa. Yeah, and this I really love this. As this thing has been done, is to tell the African leaders that Ghanaians are ready for anything. The Burkina Faso, Ghana are ready for. So we came to the embassy of Burkina Faso. That's where we came to. You can see that. Let me zoom closer for you guys. That's the embassy of Burkina Faso. So that's where we came. So yes, support us on 020-399 gadgets in anything. Yes, you can support us, or even advice. If you want to advise us, you can support us by advising us. The number again is 020-399-7170. 020-399-7170. Support us and let's push this agenda more. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like every day. Daily Watch TV once again.